So today I'm going to walk you through how I would set up. This is a foremost chute, so it's a round, most of our piping is round pipe on this chute. So walking you through, we've got a repro-scan XTC ultrasound, a 2.0 monitor, a RAM kit, and a repro arm. So I'm going to walk you through how to set up. This would also work if you have a BovaScan machine. They're pretty similar as far as setup goes. So first, I have our monitor with the RAM plate on top. It is attached with this RAM kit. First thing I look for on a chute is, all right, how far forward do I want to be? This is a really nice place. I do watch these bars to see, okay, is this going to hit? Am I using it? So I may need to move it back a little bit further, but I like this positioning a lot. So I've got the round clamp. I've got an arm and attached to the plate here. And then I have turned on make sure you turn on your monitor. There's that little switch in the back under here. Make sure the power on that hard shut-off switch is on. I am using, we're going to fetal age today, so I do have my fetal aging table with the bottom flap. It is just use these butterfly clips clipped on here so I can quickly age if I need to. But that's kind of how I set up the monitor. All I have to do to turn the monitor on is press the power button on the front side. So with my ultrasound, I've got the XTC. Things I'm thinking about, I want to make sure that this heat plate, the side with the cow, is facing out so it can breathe. It's got air. So I'm going to use the pocket on the back of this monitor bag. I'm going to put it, actually this side, I'm going to do it this way so I can get to the buttons. So my buttons are on the top of this. If you had a long day, you can pull your probe cord right through the pocket. We've only got a few to do today, so I'm just going to leave it right on top. I am going to loosen this, clip it in, but it's still got some breathability for that heat plate. I also am going to take this cable and I'm going to plug it in via VGA. The reason I am doing that is because I will always have a better quality image when I go direct wired instead of going wirelessly. So I have to tell the monitor once I've turned this machine on that I need to use the direct wire signal instead of the wireless signal. So I will do that by pushing the paw print button on the screen on your monitor to where it says VGA in the upper left hand corner. That way I'll have a clearer image, and today I'm going to try to fetal sex, so I want as much clarity of image as I possibly can because image quality is important. That's why we're worried about contact as well as anything we can get for better quality, the better off we are. So I've got my probe, took the probe cover off. I always put this back into my Plano case or into my ultrasound case because it's just really good to have around. As soon as I'm done ultrasounding, I clean off my probe, I put this cover back on. But today we're going to use the repro arm. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the repro arm. And then I have some J-lube and a 5-gallon bucket of water. This is my preference. Here's the J-lube, so you just put some powder in there. Get it to where it's slimy enough that it helps get you better contact. And then I like the 5-gallon buckets because they will actually hold the repro arm up. I can quickly grab this. I don't have it set somewhere, and it protects the probe a little bit better. I have it here so I can pull the back gates for heifers and just go right in here. So that's how I would set up and get ready to go. Stay tuned.